Okay, so we're taking a little detour to Notre-Dame, but it's closed because it's still rebuilding from the fire, but you can see the river. This is on our way to the Louvre Museum. So we walked from the hotel. It was about 30 minutes.
About 40, so
about 40 minutes. Really a lot to see, lots of places to stop and eat. So I wouldn't not take this route. There's plenty of pedestrian bridges that you can walk across.
You can watch that little car parked in a tiny little spot.
You can see why people want a micro car here, for sure.
Well, when we took a taxi yesterday, we did get to see some things, but walking you just see so many more things, and you can get up close and stop and take pictures. So even though it's tiring, we decided to walk a lot.
Well, and there's no real set, the taxi doesn't really have a set course where they give you a tour. They might tell you what something is, but for example, the Uber looks very easy, it's very quick, reasonable, very reasonably priced. You don't have to worry about taking the metro or a bus.
Yeah, we didn't want to take the metro because it's all underground and we wouldn't be able to see anything.
Yeah.
And the bus is just a little claustrophobic.
And we're kind of
Look how pretty.
used to walking.
See, it's fun to just come along these beautiful little side streets and you're like, oh.
So for us, it's not a big deal to walk. But there's options. You can.
Well, we're probably not going to walk back to the hotel. We'll get an Uber because we'll be
But
tired
there's
after the Louvre.
plenty of rental bikes like that you can you just rent them with your PayPal or a credit card.
Oh, God. See, this is pretty well.
And there you can see the scaffolding around, some of the scaffolding around Notre-Dame. So unfortunately we won't be able to see it this time, but we can see the exterior of the famous cathedral.
Yeah, we're this close, you might as well walk up to it. You can get souvenirs. Gotta get back up on
Here's the
They said it was going to be open in December, but
The fire did extensive damage to the structure. Restoring the organ. Artwork, facades, gargoyles. Here's the gargoyle. Look at the gargoyle. See him cleaning the. His scarves are $10. See him cleaning the pictures of him cleaning the stained glass windows.
oh,
You taking any pictures of this?
Et en faire une synthèse biographique. Faire une synthèse.
Wir haben sogar noch Glück gehabt.
Tienen como unos dragoncitos o algo ahí.
Look at the arches that he's building in there. So good.
Toda la empresa ha ido.
Oké, hij met de. Oh.
see a little bit more.
Okay.
Tu peux m'arrêter?